Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Medullary thyroid tumors, and you're looking at its secretion. So, medullary thyroid tumors, it secretes the following. That is, it includes the calcitonin. So, there's calcitonin, there is CA. CA stands for the carcinoembryogenic antigen. The carcinoembryogenic antigen. And there is also the calcitonin gene. The calcitonin gene, this is the related peptide. There is the histaminidases. There is also the histaminidases. And there is the prostaglandin E2 and F2A. There is prostaglandins E2 and the F2 alpha. Next is the serotonin. So what is important here is the calcitonin and the serotonin. So both of them, they are responsible for the diarrhea and the MTC. So the other one's responsible for the diarrhea. And this occurs in the MTC. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.